What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. I know it's been quite a while since I dropped something. I believe one of the past videos that I did drop was a version of this here, doing an unboxing on these DS18 BD-X43 speakers. If you're paying attention to the background, you see 1, 2, 3. There's also a fourth. So, long story short, I got a couple of these speakers, and obviously I'm not going to use them. So like my man Robert Van Hoy said, probably should do a giveaway on them. And I did post, I don't know, the other day I'll just say that I was going to do a giveaway on them. Well, I was going to do a giveaway on the channel. But I didn't know for sure what I was going to give away. Got quite a bit of stuff. If you see something in the background, maybe back around over there. Also got some other speakers that I just purchased. Don't believe I'm going to use them, but we'll see what happens here. But let's just do an unboxing on this just to be fair. Just to make sure everything is in here. Alright, so same as last time. Just two DS18 speakers. Like I said, me personally, I'm not going to use them, but I like them. 135 watts. Let me get this all the way out, because before I start saying stuff, let me make sure what's the RMS on them. Because I don't want to just be out here telling tales and have somebody thinking, oh man, I'm about to get something, and it's not actually what I thought it was. So let's see, the BD-X43. So the RMS on these is 45 watts RMS. So these may be some speakers that you may want to use if you're running just off your head unit, or like I said, maybe a nice little 100 watt amp. So let's give these away. Now, as I went ahead and pressed record and got the video going to give these away, I don't even know what to do for them. Like, what's today? Saturday? I don't know. I guess maybe the person. We'll just do the numbers. I'm sorry. Like I said, I hit the record button. Didn't even think, hey, let me give these away. How am I going to give them away? Anything like that. So we'll just do a number, man. Not sure how many people are going to actually check this video out. But let's just do a number, 1 to 1,000. And if somebody guesses a number twice, whoever has that number first, I should be able to figure that out. So we'll do a number 1 to 1,000. Go ahead and comment. Hashtag. Matter of fact, there it is right there on the box. Comment that. Hashtag we like it loud, whatever your number is. And by... I've been pretty busy. I'm trying to think here. We'll go by tomorrow night, 7 p.m. tomorrow night. So this is Saturday, October 3rd. We'll go to Sunday, October 4th tomorrow night. All you got to do is a number 1 to 1,000 with a comment, hashtag we like it loud. Put that exactly how that is on the box here. Hashtag we like it loud with the DS18 stuff. And you'll get some nice little speakers. At the end of the day, I don't know if anybody needs these. But hey, if you need them, great. If not, either way, they're on their way out to you. As long as you get that correct number, that correct comment, just like that. Can't make it any easier for you. So we'll go to Sunday, tomorrow night, basically. Sunday, 7 p.m. 1 through 1,000. Go ahead and put that in there, and we'll get you guys tightened up, man. So y'all see I'm out in the lab here. Got some work to do. Was actually trying to sell these. Let me move this stuff out the way. Was actually trying to sell these DS18 EXL 8-inch motors. I'm happy they didn't sell because I might be using these. So stay tuned. Like I said, I'm working on a new build. The build has switched up, but I'm still working on it. There will be plenty of updates to come. Just been crazy busy, man. The company I'm running with, they like to go ahead and with the DOT hours, the 14-hour rule. Oh, they like to use all of that. So by the time I get off work, I'm exhausted, man. So I try to just go home, kick it with the family for a little bit, and get into bed, man. So Saturdays are kind of my only day to have some free time. as far as where I don't feel like I'm worn out, man. So there is a new build coming. Trust and believe me, there will be a ton more updates. But for all of those that care, shout out to my man Robert Van Hoy, RVH. Yeah, I know he's a truck driver too. I don't know how you do it, Robert, man. I don't know if they run you 14 hours or not, but they damn sure do it to us. So just a number 1 to 1,000. Hashtag we like it loud. Also shout out to my man Bobby. He had hit me up the other day on Instagram. Was like, hey man, what happened to the video? Here it is, Bobby. So hopefully, go ahead and get in that. Go ahead and get in the drawing. 1 to 1,000. Hashtag we like it loud, and you'll get some speakers out. And like I said, scoot these over. 1, 2, 3, and then there's a 4th down here. So with that being said, there's going to be a lot more stuff coming, man. So y'all stay tuned. DS18 all over the place. Got some El Cheapos back over here. Oh. Y'all know me and Walmart, man. So go to DS18 back. Me and Walmart, we get along real well. So I got a bunch of crap just laying around. Like I said, don't have a use for a lot of this stuff. Might mess with these scope speakers just to see what they sound like. I know my buddy had them in his truck a while ago. They sounded amazing on his deck, so I might mess with them, but I don't know, man. But definitely got a couple of speakers laying around here that I'm definitely not going to use, man. So y'all take advantage of it, man. 1 to 1,000. That's all you got to comment. Pick a number 1 to 1,000. Drop that in there. Hashtag we like it loud. This is going till tomorrow night, Sunday, October 4th, 7 p.m. I'll go ahead and go. If I don't go live on here, I'll just post it on the community section, comment that, or maybe post a picture in the whole 9 and let somebody know, hey, drop that email or drop that address to the email so I can get the speakers out to you, man. As always, questions, comments, concern. I try to get back to everybody, man. Like I said, I've just been crazy busy. I can't have my phone in the truck because they got a camera dead in my face, and they got a camera watching the traffic, and then a camera watching the cab. So I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, man. But tomorrow night, I definitely can holler back, man. So it's your boy Young Dub, getting this giveaway. Get these speakers, man. I'm out of here.